Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen and ladies. I am back at the Honda Service Center. Blue needs her first oil change, her first tire rotation, and her first Pennsylvania state inspection. Now we're gonna see if the SPELAB exhaust will really pass inspection. Fingers crossed. One other thing I wanted to do while I'm here is I want to walk up to the showroom, see if they have any new cars, see my buddy Trevor, haven't seen him in quite a while. Plus, I also want to talk to you about the 23 Corolla GR. Toyota just released some video and some pictures. Looks pretty interesting. I don't know if you guys have seen it, so we're going to talk a little bit about that. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, you know what to do. Now, the 23 GR comes with a 1.6 liter turbo, all-wheel drive, 300 horsepower. What do you guys think about that? Do you think it can compete with the Type R? Did I forget to mention that it's a 3-cylinder? I did. And that is what interests me the most, that it's a 3-cylinder. Not sure how I feel about that, but really won't know till we can get our hands on one and see some numbers, you know? Hey man, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments, because I'm really interested in seeing one. And if I was gonna get another car other than a Honda, I would venture to say it would be a Toyota. Toyota, in my opinion, is the second most reliable car in the market right now. Okay, so I just literally walked around their entire lot. Not one new car, not one. Everything is pre-owned. That's how hard it is to get a brand new car right now, guys. It's extremely hard. You're gonna have to go in and order one, which personally, I'm not a fan of. Waiting 3-4 months for a car that maybe in that time I'm not even gonna want anymore. There might be something else out there. But my sales guy is with a customer at the moment. I kind of want to talk to him about the 23 Type R, when they'll be getting that. Okay, so I was wrong. They have 5 new cars on the lot. 3 Passports, 2 Accords. 1 Accord is in the shop, the other one's at the end of the row here, but we got a Trail Sport Passport. Pretty nice looking. And this is a brand new one, it's a 2022. Let's see what it costs. $43,700 is the sticker price. Pretty nice car, but if I could, I would put the wheels off of this one up here onto this one. Now this is a Passport Elite. I actually really like the color. I think it would look really good with all black wheels. What do you guys think? And then we have another Elite here in the gray. I love this gray. I do. I really love this gray. And then we got a 22 Accord, which a lot of you asked me, hey, why do you go with the Civics? Well, I have had multiple Accords as well. I had a 2008 Accord and I had a 2013 Accord Sport 6-speed manual, which just so happens 3 years later, my nephew bought the same exact car, which was pretty funny. I like this Accord. I do. So if you're looking for a Honda Passport, they got 3. Come to Faulkner Honda, get yourself one. Some of you that have been around on the channel for a while might recognize this spot. This is where I had the Type R delivered 9 months ago. And I can't believe it's been 9 months since I've had that car. It's been 10 months since I've had the Sport. It's hard for me to believe that I've been doing YouTube for 9 months. I've been posting a video every week for 9 months. That's crazy for me, especially having a full-time job and working 60 hours a week plus YouTube. I'm pretty proud of myself. I am. I can boast a little bit, right? Right? But back to the GR. So what we're gonna have to see is that GR up against the Type R. Whether it's the 10th gen or the 11th gen, doesn't matter. Preferably, I like to see it up against the 10th gen just because they kind of look similar. That's one thing that's good about that, is that the 11th gen Type R does not look like the GR. The GR more or less looks like the 10th gen Civic, in my opinion. It has a similar front bumper, similar fenders, similar rear, but it'll be real interesting. I'm pretty interested to see it. Hopefully I can see it soon. Oh, there's my boy. Say what up, dude.
Good morning.
They haven't seen you in a while.
It's been a little bit. How are you doing today, man?
Good, brother. The channel hasn't seen you in a while, dude.
It's been a little bit.
Good to see you, brother. All right, so the service advisor just took me back to the car, told me he had to go over a couple things with it. Now, all the mechanics, all the people here love the car. They really like it, which is cool. Problem being, fails inspection. 2 things.
Yeah, you're not allowed to have a cutoff. That's the only thing. If that cutout wasn't there, it would pass, but by law, it can't be on the car.
I hate Pennsylvania. Just let me say that. I hate Pennsylvania when it comes to car stuff. I can't tint my windows. Now I gotta take the SPELAB exhaust cutout off because it doesn't pass inspection, even though it's closed. But yet, it passed admissions. I don't understand that. And the one I'm really mad about is the fog lights. They don't turn off whenever the high beams kick on. So now I gotta figure out a way to rewire them that when the high beams come on, the fog lights come on. Why that's a big deal in the state of PA, I don't know. But man, I can't even have fog lights in the car. How ridiculous is that? So I have an easy fix for that. Next time I bring it in for inspection, I'll just unplug them and they won't work. So that's an easy fix. So, Greg, I'm gonna have to take it back to your shop and take that exhaust cutout off. Unless PRL can come out with the exhaust soon enough that when I bring it back to get it inspected again, which is, I have to have it done by the end of June, but I really had to bring it in for an oil change. We're 3 months out. I figured I'd test it out, see if it would pass. So now I have 2 things to fix on this car before I get it inspected. Or I get rid of it first and don't have to worry about it.